In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background image on Google Meet. Whether you're prepping for an important meeting or just want to jazz up your virtual background, this simple guide will help you make a creative impression right from your own space. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, open up Google Meet on your browser and either join an existing meeting or start a new one. Once you're all set up and inside the meeting, turn your attention to the bottom right corner of the screen where you'll see three little dots. This is the More Options menu, which holds a variety of useful tools. Click on it to open up a selection of features that you might not have explored before. Next, from this menu, you're going to want to find and select the option called Apply Visual Effects. This is where we can get a little playful with our backgrounds and take advantage of some seriously creative options. This feature allows you to visually enhance your video feed, making a notable difference in how you present yourself virtually. Now, if you wish to add your own flair with a custom background, look for the plus icon. This is your gateway to adding a personal touch to your meeting environment. Clicking the plus will prompt you to select an image file from your computer, so make sure you have the image you want ready and accessible. It could be anything from a professional office backdrop to a picturesque beach scene, depending on the message you want to convey. Once you've clicked the plus icon, you'll see an option to choose an image file. Navigate through your computer's directories until you find that perfect picture and then select it to upload. This is where a bit of creativity comes into play, so feel free to experiment with different images until you find one that resonates with your style and the nature of the meeting. After uploading your selected image, you might want to take a moment to adjust it to perfectly fit your video frame. There are straightforward controls you can use to modify its positioning and size, ensuring it looks just right. Spend a little time here to make sure everything lines up nicely. Finally, once you're happy with your adjustments, you'll want to preview how everything looks. Take a good look at the result to confirm that it enhances your presentation as intended. With everything in place and looking polished, go ahead and click Done to set the backdrop as your new meeting background. And there you have it. Now you know how to add a custom background image in Google Meet, allowing you to personalize your virtual space with flair and professionalism. This transformation not only enhances your meeting presence, but also adds a touch of creativity to your virtual workspace. Enjoy customizing your Google Meet experiences and let your background speak as much as your words do.